Medical frontliners remain the priority for access to the COVID-19 vaccine. Malacanang reiterated this after Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez showed photos on Facebook receiving Sinovac through the National Vaccination Program.
Hindi pa nababago po ang ating prioridad. Dapat medical frontliners pa lang po sa ngayon. So again po, ulitin natin, hindi po pwede magpabakuna muna ang hindi mga medical frontliners dahil kung susuway po tayo dito sa order of priority nito, maapektuhan po yung ating future deliveries galing po sa COVAX facility.
Roque said Romualdez will have to undergo investigation.
We regret this incident but I will refer the matter to the DILG for proper action dahil kinakailangan po talaga imbestigahan ito.
According to DILG USEC Epimaco Densing, they are preparing show cause orders against 3 mayors to explain why they jumped the line.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.